Hello everyone, welcome to Family Crafts. Today we are making cardboard tube marionettes. Do you know what a marionette is? A marionette is a type of puppet, but not one that you work with your hand. You move it from above, with the strings attached to its limbs. Would you like to make your own marionette? Maybe even more than one? Let's get started! For this project, you will need the following supplies: cardboard tubes, yarn or string, a stick, dowel, or popsicle stick, colored paper, cardboard, beads, these are optional, crayons, pencils, and or markers, glue stick or glue, scissors, and a hole punch. I'll give everyone a moment to gather your supplies. You might want to pause the video while you do that. You're back! Alright, let's get started! Step 1. Decide what kind of puppet you would like to make. You could make a pig puppet, or a dragon, or an octopus, or any other kind of creature you can imagine. Do you have an idea in mind? Okay, let's go on to the next step. Step 2. Make your puppet. I've decided to make a two-legged puppet, but your puppet could have 2 legs, or 4 legs, or even more. Choose cardboard tubes for the head and body. Cut them to size if necessary. Punch 1 hole in the head and 1 in the body. Tie a piece of yarn between the 2 holes to make the neck. If you have some beads, you may decide to add them to the neck before tying it in place. Next, we'll add the legs. Cut a piece of yarn a little longer than you want each leg to be. Cut feet out of cardboard. They can be whatever shape you want. If you have some beads, you may want to choose some to add to your legs. Attach the yarn to the feet with glue or by punching a hole in the foot to tie the yarn on. If you're planning to add beads to your legs, now is the time to add them. Punch holes in the body where you want the legs to attach, 1 hole for each leg. Tie the legs to the body through the holes you just punched. Step 3. Add the strings so you can make your marionette move. Punch 2 holes in the top of the head, and 1 towards the back of the body. Choose the stick you'll use to make your marionette move. Tie long pieces of yarn from the head to the stick and from the body to the stick. Now you're ready to make your marionette move. Step 4. Decorate. Using colored paper, cardboard, crayons, pencils, and markers. Add fur, claws, a beak, ears, whatever else your puppet needs. Step 5. Put on a puppet show. How did your puppet come out? We'd love to see your creations. Tag us on social media, #CarrieAtHome, or send your photo to carriekids@minlib.net, and we'll add it to our Family Crafts Flickr album. Thanks for crafting with us today.